Hello, and I hope you're doing well. On this video we're going to take a look at this Motorola Q14 tri-band mesh Wi-Fi system, and the model number is AXE5400. And as you can see, it does have speeds up to 5.4 gigabytes. It covers up to 5,000 square feet, and it does include Wi-Fi SE. So let's take a look in the back of the box. In the back of the box, it gives you more information. It supports Wi-Fi speeds up to 5.4 gigabytes over 100 connected devices. And it works fast. 2.4 gigabyte WAN ports, enables true multi-gigabyte speed. It does have the next generation Wi-Fi 6E technology. The Wi-Fi 6E provides more capacity and lower latency, ideal for VR, AR, and 8K streaming. It does have the application that you can download from the Google Play or the App Store. It comes with a 2-year warranty and free support. What's inside? It does have 3 Q14 devices, 3 AC power adapters, 1 Ethernet cable, 1 quick start guide, and MotoSync app. And there they are, 3 tri-band mesh. Now I know you can buy just 2, and it covers I think up to 3,500 square feet, but I wanted to cover the entire house, including part of the garage and part of the backyard, because once I'm back there I find it difficult to get the internet back there. Let's open one up. So here is the first one. There's nothing behind here. And if you need help, here's a note. It tells you either to go ahead and download the application, or if you need help, let them know. Here is also how you can download the application and make it work. What else is in here? Let's see. Here's the Ethernet cable, and here's the power. I like the color, it blends in with the rest. So here they are. You have all 3, and by picking one up, it looks very nice and smooth, and it kind of looks like a speaker. On top there's nothing much, there's just holes to get ventilation in there. On the bottom there's nothing else either, and on the back you have a few things. You have the WPS button here, so you can connect another device without the password or anything like that. You have the WAN or LAN port, so you can connect the router here, and all of them have it, so you can just have one connected. And then if you want to go ahead and plug something in, you can plug something in here on the LAN port. So something that you want to be wired, just plug it into here or in any other two. And then you also have a reset button here and the power. So you have all these on each one. And the reason why I got this mesh system is because I got a router and an extender, but then the extender basically slowed down the speed. So I wanted to get the mesh system so I can cover the entire house at the same speed without connecting and disconnecting from one to the other device. This will just cover the entire house. Let's see how the setup is. I got my phone here, so let's download the application. That is the first step anyway, and that's what it looks like. So here's the application. So let's go ahead and install it. You can find the application here at Motorola network.com/sync. So let's go ahead and open the app. And you can go ahead and sign in or create an account. And here it's asking if you want to set up a new device. So let's set up a new device. And there's a QR code in the bottom of your device. So the QR code, it's in the bottom of each one. So hit yes. Now it's asking to go ahead and scan the device code. You can go ahead and use the extender if you want, or you can just keep a router, but I wanted to have a faster system. I have an 8K TV that I actually had to run a cable to it before getting this. So now that I have the mesh system, if I have another 8K TV, I don't have to run a wire to it. All I have to do is rely on this. So let's go ahead and scan it. And it's saying it's gonna finish scanning. Now it's telling me that the device has been added. Click next. Now it says to go ahead and unplug the router from the power to. And it says connect Ethernet, plug the Ethernet cable from the internet device into the top port of the Motorola router, so up here. And then go ahead and power it up, plug in your router and your internet device into the power, and then activating it. And it says continue when the light on your router pulses blue and turns to solid white. It takes up to 5 minutes for it to connect. So I have installed 2 of these and they are both working really good. It does say up to 5,000 feet, but that doesn't mean that it will cover all of them. And it's because there are different factors that you have to take in consideration. It all depends on where you live. If there's a lot of other systems around you and a lot of other things. So basically, to connect the first one, all you have to do is disconnect your router, probably write down the name and the password that you have already created for that router to make it easier on you, and then connect this one or the new one, and then go ahead and go into the application. Once you go into the application, perhaps you want to give it the same name and the same password. Now, if you do want to change the password and the name, you can do that, but to make it easier on you, just give it the same name, same password, and all your devices will connect to this new router. This is super fast. It is as fast as what I'm getting through the internet company and nothing less, regardless of where I am in the house. And that's it. I hope this video helps you in any way. Thank you for watching and enjoy.